Knocks me off my feet. Marami akong listahan.
Hindi ko alam yan eh.
Better days.
Anong gusto mo?
Knocks me off my feet, alam niyo.
Ha?
Knocks me off.
Anong kaya
Do that to me one more time.
Sige, yeah, I love it. Go. Yes, go for it. Once again, the Office Made Acoustic. Come on, John.
Sabi mo eh! Ikaw wala eh!
Ay, ganun. Hindi ko alam yan. Next song. 50204.
Uy, tapos na kami. Sorry. Wala na
Hindi. On the way na. More.